bulk right here, as you can see. First, we'll go over the, I guess this is the personals, LeBron, Lillard, and then the Lillard over here. But we had the blues that I showed you guys already, and I'm gonna show you guys the greens. And I, for sure, like these better. I think these look so sick. Because even on these plain cards, like look at the difference. It looks so much better with cracked ice than just a regular black, like washed out background. I don't know. I'm really digging the green cracked on it. The green sticks out really nice as well. Playbook, Tyrese, that's not a bad one as well. LeBron, Prestige. I mean, look at that one. That one looks like it's a numbered card, but it's not. Zion, that's a good one too. I like that. I mean, look at the difference at these. Look at the cracked. It looks so much doper than a standard card. I don't know. I'm super feeling this set. I think it looks really good. Jaden, Coro, Precious, Cole Anthony, I like that one. Curry, Lillard for the personal again, and then Sadiq Bey. But probably the best one out of these is LeBron. So not worth probably anything, but still cool nonetheless. And then from this side, we got a Wiseman here, Melo, Wiseman. This was a Wiseman box for sure. Wiseman, Edward, Wiseman, LaMelo, and LaMelo. So this is a good LaMelo right there at least. But how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That one looks ding, but it's just the thing. 5, 6, 7 different ones. 7 different Wisemans. That's absolutely crazy. Anyway, 7 Wisemans, 3 Melos, 2 Edwards. That's, what was it, 12? I'm terrible at math. Super dope to see that though. And then the big one right here. Moses Brown, Auto, Apprentice. There it is on the back. Super crazy, man. Really, really cool to hit. Just wanted to show you guys an example of a 2 side by side, like exact same cards, but this one came from the Fanatics exclusive, and then this one came from Target. You could see the Fanatics exclusive is way better, in my opinion. I like the look of it. Anyway, that's the difference between the skinny box here and then the thick boy over here. Leave a comment, let me know what cards I missed that were like probably good or something. I mean, I had a whole bunch of stuff over here. I didn't pull out any Halliburtons, but he's another good one, as well as Cole Anthony, but just sticking with the big 3 as of right now. But that's what we got. Leave a comment, let me know. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Even their base Chronicles with the green ice or whatever, the green cracked or whatever this is, it looks so fire. I don't know. I really like this. This is a great one. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll try to do more commentary in future videos. Yep, thanks for watching. Bye.